What's up, y'all? This is Attorney Gerald Griggs, a justice fighter, and this is part 3 of my series on Know Your Rights, Know the Law. A couple days ago, I was asked by an individual, what are your rights with regard to owning guns in Georgia? And I just wanted to go over a few basic rights. Again, this is for general information purposes. It does not create an attorney-client relationship, but it's just to keep you informed. And you should know that in Georgia, you may legally store or own a firearm in your home, motor vehicle, place of business without having a license, but you must apply for a license with the county probate court if you intend to carry it outside of your home or property. And if you carry a gun for hunting, sporting, you need a hunting permit to have that outside of your own property. You also need to understand that if you are a convicted felon, at no point are you allowed legally to own or carry a gun. You could be charged with a felony, which is possession of a gun by a convicted felon, or possession of a firearm by a first offender probationer. So there are certain status of people who cannot carry a firearm. You should also know that it's a misdemeanor to carry a gun without a current firearms or hunting license outside of your own property. You cannot point a gun for any reason at another unless it's in self-defense, whether it's loaded or not. That would be a misdemeanor. Pointing a pistol at another if it's not a justifiable offense. You can't fire a gun within 50 yards of a public highway or street without justification. Again, that's a misdemeanor. You can't discharge a firearm on private property without approval of the owner, otherwise that'd be a crime. And you can't discharge a firearm while you're intoxicated. That would be a misdemeanor. You also need to know that if you point a gun at another person and it puts them in reasonable fear, that could be aggravated assault, which is a 1 to 20 year felony. So there are certain things you need to know about carrying a gun. Again, I am a proponent of the Second Amendment, even though I don't own a firearm myself, simply because I just, at this point in my life, I don't really think I need a weapon of that sort. But in Georgia, you need to know it's a very open carry state as long as you have a permit or you're having the weapon on your own property. But again, you need to know your rights, go take gun safety courses, and make sure you keep your gun in a safe, secure, and place when it's outside of your home, and even in your home. Keep it out of the hands of children or minors. Again, that could be another crime. So you need to understand there are certain laws and rights in Georgia with regard to gun ownership and gun possession. I would again advise that you go down to the local probate court, get the gun information on the laws in this state, and stay safe and stay legal. Again, this video is not for the purpose of giving direct legal advice. It's for informational purposes only. And I suggest you take firearms training courses and you apprise yourself of all the laws with regard to gun ownership here in the state of Georgia. But again, this is a justice fighter. Hopefully this video shed a little bit of light on gun ownership and possession here in the state of Georgia. Thank you.